Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Hi guys, my name's Agnes. Today on Mum's home cooking, we are making keema, which is lamb mince. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends and family. And as always, if you like good food, you're in the right place, because at Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Today we will need 3 medium-sized onions, 6 chilies, green chilies, a bit of ginger and about 5 cloves of garlic. And mince.
Hopefully.
You can use kilo, 2 kilos, however much you want to make. But we've got about 1.5 kilos of lamb mince. We've got a bit of oil in there. I'll put the gas on. Oh.
So it doesn't matter how thick
It's
these ones are.
Diced. Yeah, about that size. Gotta watch my fingers.
I was about to say, be careful. And just straight in?
Yeah. It should be alright. Not quite hot yet, but. Shall I just carry on?
Yeah.
With the onions, the more onions you got in there, the better turka it will make. So
Okay.
it's much more, gives it a better taste, obviously, if the mixture is.
And those guys are like base layer of
Yeah.
the flavour. So the onions,
Yeah.
the chilies, the garlic, the ginger. Let's give that a whirl. Oh look, it's already starting to colour stain.
I know. It's the holiday, isn't it? Gives
Must be, innit?
yeah.
And ginger's supposed to be really good for you, isn't it?
Ginger's really good for you. And garlic, obviously, is very good for you as well. And turmeric that we use is really, really good for your bones.
They sell, do you know, imagine on me, they sell 25 grams of, not even that, it was like 12.5 gram tubs of turmeric for like 30 quid.
Whoa!
Mad. People buy it as like a...
From a healthy shop.
Yeah, from healthy shop. Instead of just going Indian shop and getting it for like £10 a kilo or something stupid like that.
Isn't it?
Wow, that was £10 a kilo, but even still.
No, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's going to be cheaper than you're getting it.
The packets we are get is the bigger ones. They're like £4 and last you months.
See, go Indian shop. Don't be buying.
Yeah, £4 to £5. You know.
And if you live in Barton, there's one on Headington, so
Yeah.
ain't no excuses.
To pay all that money.
Ain't it? So stupid. But if you don't know, you don't know, innit, I guess?
That's right, yeah.
Oh, let's see your little technique.
Right, split it there. And there. And there. Let's just check that.
Which bit of the chili is actually the spicy bit? Is it the seeds or
The seeds, yeah.
the skin bit?
I think all of it actually. Obviously, sometimes it has more seeds in it, it's more hot. But the seeds are made part of it. You know, I mean, we have been using these for years and years. And there are lots of other things that I'm learning now. About the spices even, you know?
Always learning, man. That's it though, never stop learning.
That's right. So the more you cook, the more nicely your curries will turn out.
Yeah, exactly. It's like anything, isn't it? Practice.
Practice, yeah.
But Nonny's had years. years of.
Yes, yeah.
Let's get this in that still.
Put it on full?
Yeah.
There we go.
All the way, or?
Yeah, do it all the way. Because we're starting to watching it. So we need some tomatoes in there. I got the plum tomatoes today, so
Can just use tin tomatoes, I'm sure, innit?
yeah. These are tinned ones, but they're not chopped. Same thing, but surely probably the whole bloody hell. Okay. Slowly bit of water. And turmeric.
Yeah.
A teaspoonful of turmeric. A spoonful of salt. Of red chilies. It depends how hot you like it. If you
I was about to say, you've already got green chilies in there as well.
Yeah, so if you like it a bit more hot. And a spoonful of garam masala.
Oh, that's really nice, man.
And a spoonful of paprika. And put the gas on high, mix it together, and let it all cook together.
So this bit is called the turka, which is where all of the flavour comes from.
Yeah.
You just add the meat gets the flavour, and you got a curry. Well, would that even count as a curry, this one?
Huh? Huh?
Would this count as a curry? I guess so.
Yeah,
Just mince and, yeah. Don't want to just bang it in and then it goes everywhere, innit? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Once it starts heating up, it will break as well. That's it. Yeah. Love my diploma in cooking.
Oh yeah, we'll put that in.
Remember that?
put it in the bio, because that is quite cool.
Yeah.
Alright, and we just leave it, and should be finished.
Yeah. It will take about half an hour to cook.
Okay, quite a while then.
Yeah. That's a bit tricky here. What, mix it?
Yeah.
Nearly done. Maybe another 5 minutes.
So how would you know when it is done? Just look, taste.
Take a bit out and taste it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. We'll do it with this here.
Yeah, I think we're all finished now.
Yeah. That's nice and green there.
So the colours in Indian food you can't. Oh, can't beat the colours of Indian food, man.
No, it's the spices and that. Everything is colourful. With beans, keema, you can add anything to it, like potatoes, green peas, even saag.
Oh,
Saag and keema, when you got fresh saag with keema is one of my favourite.
we'll do it one day.
Yeah, and then we can eat it with roti or naan, or even turn it into a prota. Keema prota is very good.
We'll do it one day. We'll do loads of different types of products and see what we can come up with.
Anyway, we made keema, lamb mince, with naan. You can eat it with naan or roti. You can also turn the keema into a prota. Eat it with the prota even. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next Friday. This is Agnes signing off.